Alright, today I'm going to take a look at a very seasonal Zippo. It's a pretty nice one. Let's take a quick look at it. Now this one came in the normal Zippo black box. And it says on the back, Skull in Trees. So there's a first look at it, and you can see it says Happy Halloween. It's got the Zippo logo on the bottom left. Huge skull, cemetery, lots of trees. And Zippo does not make many orange finished lighters. Sounds good. Steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this thing. I'm going to do a lit drop test. Okay, so it passes the drop test just fine. Now this was made in, looks like E of this year. Of course in Bradford, PA, made in USA. And that E is, I think that's May of 16. A nice bright, I think they call it neon orange. But that is the Halloween Zippo in the cemetery. Like I said, Zippo makes very few orange Zippo, but here you can see they make lots and lots of skull Zippos. I'll give you a close view of just a few of the ones I have. Of course, all Zippos are made in the USA, and that deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.